Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Antimalware Service high CPU memory usage. Let's begin. So what you need to do first is you need to head over to the start icon, and then you are going to type in Task Scheduler. So you're going to select it. Now on the left side of the screen, make sure that you hit the drop-down option here where it says Task Scheduler Library, and then head over to Microsoft, so also expand that, and then head over to Windows, expand the Windows folder, then scroll down and look for the folder which says Windows Defender. So afterwards, you're going to select one of these maintenances. I'm going to use the one at the top. You're simply going to right click and then go to Properties, then head over to Conditions. So now what you need to do is you need to make sure that all of these are unchecked, and the other one that should be checked is this one which says Stop if the computer ceases to be idle. So if they are ticked, just simply try to untick them. Then once you're done, go to OK, and then restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.